Hello, Red Hots. NoWickChilly here, and I wanted to clarify some things about a new program that you may or may not be interested. May or may not know about. So I was having a conversation, and one of the team members was asking some questions about this, the Earn a Kit option, and this is an opportunity for our hostess to earn their kit to get started with Scentsy with less money out of pocket. So way back, we used to always talk about decider parties. A potential host or a potential recruit was thinking about joining, and we suggested they have a party to see if it was something that they would like to do and how it all worked. And so this is a way that they can earn their starter kits in that process. Now, this is different than Flip a Host, and I'll talk about both of those in this video, and some policies and procedures you need to be aware of in this. Now, Scentsy has a ton of resources on this topic, and I will reference those. I'm not going to do all the explanation here. I'm not going to tell you how to enter it. I've got other information on other videos, and Scentsy has videos. So this is just some clarification on things that when I was looking at it wasn't quite clear for me. It may be crystal clear for you, but I am super excited about this opportunity because I have a lot of times offered a decider party when people are not sure they want to join. So what is Earn a Kit? It is the ability for a customer, a host, to use product credit to offset the cost of the smaller, not the $99, but a smaller starter kit. And it's more like the essential starter kits that we have when we have different months. Now, some things to remember. As of August of 2018, we have one tester size. So the $99 kit versus the smaller, the Earn a Kit, is going to have the same amount of testers. The difference is going to be that the $99 kit is going to have more products. Both are going to have business products, the things you need to get started. I'll put a link below about what is in that kit. So, a couple things to remember. Needs to be a party, which a minimum of $200. It can be more than that, and we'll talk about why that's important. You do not get any PRV on this kit because you are using host credit to get the kit. When the party is submitted, that is the date of when the consultant is enrolled. And the potential consultant, which is the host, will have 24 hours to join. So it's an opportunity for them to figure it out and an opportunity for them to join and close out the party. Okay, so the kit is $49. That's what the original kit cost. Now, what happens is your host credit will offset the cost of that. So what that looks like, let's say you have a $200 party, right? You're going to get 10% and 1/2 off item as a host. So that 10% is $200. So if your party is, the 10% is $20. Did I mess that up? Anyway, 10% is $20. And so that would offset the cost of the host kit. So you would take the $59 minus, do 60 minus the 20. So that means that they're paying $49 for the starter kit. Now, if you do well coaching your host and you are really working with them the way we've all been trained, then you should envision a $500 party. That would be a really great thing for the host to get started. Let's talk about why. Couple things. So you're going to want them to get 500 in their first 15 days. So that's something that's important. And number two is that if they choose to do a $99 starter kit, that is the cost that covers for that. So at a $500 party, the host rewards, I wrote all this down so I wouldn't forget because I get nervous talking to you guys. Anyway, on a $350 party, you're still getting 10%, but you're getting 2 half-price items. Now, those half-price items your host can use to start building their kit. If they want to do the business with diffusers, or if they want to do it wax and warmers, or if they want to do clean, laundry, kids, whatever their options are, at $350, they'll have 2 additional half-price items, which could be a warmer and a 3-pack twice. Those are really great items. So think about all the ways to use the host half-price items so they can build their kit. Now, at a $500 party, you're going to get, as a host, 15%. So at that price, that's $75 in host credit. Okay, and what do we say? The kit was $59. So in actuality, there's no additional money out of pocket, and that's the earn the kit, right? They've earned the entire kit. We are not giving them money. We are not giving it to them for free. They've earned it by hosting a party that qualifies. And this is important. You cannot say, get your kit for free, because they do have to do the work of having a $500 party to be able to get that $500 of party would get you $75 in host credit, because that's 15%. So that was the 75. So that means they still have $16 to play with and get whatever, right? That could be a 6-pack of scent circles. That could be a lot of different, it could be a couple bars, it could be other things. Plus all the half price items that they can use to expand their kit. So that's why the 500 is important. Now, last piece that is important is the flip-a-host. Okay, so with all this said, you are the consultant and this is your party. The hostess is using the host credits to get the discounted starter kit or earn her kit with no money out of her pocket. But if this is a decider party and it's her party, you can call or go on your workstation and request that party be moved under to her. And that means that she will then, or he, will then get the PRV for that party. Okay, so that is the piece where you're flipping, because the flip part is you're giving them that party. That may not be an option for all of you guys. It is an option for you, but you are running a business. And so you will need to work with your host or your potential recruit to figure out the best option. Maybe if the party's $1,000, then you can tell her, that way she's going to be certified when she joins and when you flip that party. And so there is some benefit to you based on when she gets 515 days, you get that $25 bonus. And when she hits certified, if you're during an incentive period, that is a bonus for you. So those may be recognitions and rewards that are important to you. Plus, you're setting her up, and that $1,000 party is going to get her a lot of free and half off items, which is going to be really great to get her started. It's going to offset the starter kit cost, the $59 starter kit. Now we're talking about the shrunken starter kit. And she will then be certified, which means 25% on her party. So she has now made $250 off of this launch party. Now, this takes a lot of hostess coaching. This is not something you give and do. I want to be very clear that Scentsy's policies and procedures require us not to say you're getting it for free and you cannot sign people up and just give money. You want your hostess to do the work because you want to set her up for success. And in addition, there'll be other videos talk about this, but that way she's already on her way to Sensational Start Level 1. So keep those things in mind. I will post links about all the other training about how to enter the order, how to do all the details of this, and where you can find the frequently asked questions. But I really wanted to come to you guys and share with you the Earn a Kit option, how you can turn that into a flip-a-host, and how all this can enhance your business during recruiting. This is a great time to join Scentsy. If you have people that have been thinking about it, we would love them on the team. You are in business for yourself, but you're not in business by yourself. And we are here to help. We help each other in the Red Hot Chilies. I would love for you to be part of this team if you're watching this video and you're not part of my team. And I would love to help you. So I can't wait to see what you Red Hots do, and let me know what you have questions. This video is posted on YouTube, but it's also posted on our team Facebook group as well as our team website. So we can have conversations there or here or whatever. So have a sensational day, and I will talk to you soon. Happy recruiting!